Powerful tips and tricks for affiliate marketing. In this day and age, there is not enough information that you can get in regards to affiliate marketing. You might not only need help making your own new decisions, but you may also need to solidify what you already know. This video should help you due to the clear and concise manner in which the information is provided. Study and borrow ideas from other affiliate marketers in your niche. Visit your competitor's website, subscribe to their newsletter and visit their blog. Take time to analyze how they are successfully managing to get sales. Once you have studied their techniques, try emulate them using your own affiliate links and watch your sales increase. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for companies that offer front-end as well as back-end commissions. This will allow you to earn multiple commissions from each customer that you refer to the affiliate company's site, and allow you to develop a long-term relationship with your affiliate company. Allowing people to subscribe to your website and receive newsletters from you will help you to appear more legitimate in the affiliate field. Especially if you're offering a trustworthy product or service, you want to keep in touch with your customers so that they become repeat customers and help you to increase your profits regularly. Add content that your readers want along with your affiliate links. If you provide reasons for your audience to click on your links, you will find much better success. If you just type a list of baby items you like with links, you'll receive much less response than if you type reviews and why you love these items. Do not get caught out advertising products for a merchant that will not ship to your website's visitors. On the internet, it is easy to forget how big the world is, and not all of the affiliate marketing partners you can join up with ship all the way around that world. Do not waste time on an advertiser that cannot ship to countries where the majority of your visitors live. In conclusion, you cannot get enough data about affiliate marketing. Hopefully you were able to clearly absorb all of the tips and tricks provided. With the details provided in this video, you should be able to not only make wise choices on your own, but also be able to provide others with beneficial information. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.